Ebusian for Ghana SMTVGH, message or like a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for when him say national security of a minor or more various branches. Now a more branch be a Japon Fanchemio may show that support a me yakakra. I mean losing a kakra. Home for me. Okay. Now say a political party or a big political party like MPP or a Congress an issue of national importance and a carry national security implications and a national security for omutimi or more survey any or more research who say Hawaii and Winnie and then how to give protections for those people and all those things. Now on one kwako ye sa I kind of saying research, and I find the number. I find the number no. I copy say apparently, per what we are seeing now, no, from the national security perspective, nipa we win MPP election, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, polls no national security for polls no. Now, most of the time, national security polls no. Are very effective because the state and security wise eti omu share ye bias say bi on person mo bi enti na eto de bia kra omu ko esa polls ni bia emba bontin omu yi fa mba bontin be ma obi advantage by ye asema omu nim aye wo ho enti asema no wontumi for a movement before na di ba bontin. The question Tena Assembly Execo. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, you can donate to support us. We love you. Subscribe, turn on notifications. Don't go anywhere. The video is up next.
Presidential primary. Yeah, now when all of a sudden they're bad, that's the only. National security for a year research. Research of year, figures at Wabontin. Meme hubi.
Yeah.
Omo putu Dr. Bawumia said Dr. Bawumia benya 56 between 56 and 58%. Into a year one touch win.
Yeah.
For Dr. Bawumia. However, according to National Security report now, Bidimenia Bosono, Dr. Bawumia is going to win between 56 and 58%. Orobo kene Japan, etwaso mienu. He's going to get less than 30%, according to National Security report.
Yeah.
Dr. Brian Echampong, according to National Security report, and is going to get between 13 and 15%. Now, if I will put two or Japan, they're not at 25%.
Okay.
National Security report.
Yeah.
And Dr. Brian Echampong, they're also between 13 and 15%. It's anyhow you look at it.
Yeah.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He is the presumptive leader of the MPP for now. It's a mere formality. Based on the side report, the National Security for this is the final report. Or my I won't be a bit my scatters. Now, commit 6% if you Dr. Bawumia, Naka back less than 50%.
Naka run off
what I say. Now, and command matiti baby, so they say, Dr. Brechampo, Timinia 15% and above also. Also, that's what the Bayadi sad figure no. What the bidding Komobi, MPP mu, and the actual do so we change the BBA. And go forward interest be brave. National Security for ye this for also interest. But MPP for your interest in the Supreme. What I say, yeah, MPP for your interest in the Supreme say, ye be Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as we do so. Then you know it medinachi. In fact, again you know you medinachi, but don't know medinachi. Won't me man, no problem. And it's be free party no.
Oh now
and because baby do no me so bia na meeting na kokasa say masa jade wo ye de be join the party no obi for so bia. Ye wia ye timi organize hu ye near the NDC for no akosia 2020 the year the most nkunim. International Security report no 56% for Dr. Bawumia, 25% for Honorable Japan, and then 13% for Honorable Brian Echampong. Sanity.
Yeah, because NDC for through national security ne woni yake kan wo afa kwan bia so a ankobema Ghana for hu say election no enkoyi ma Dr. Bawumia say be ya be sue voters no na delegates no but ana enu a wo bo no ma ka nyum nchi nyum no nyame na ehira no enipa obe ye de obe so ye bia emfa and wo ma hu say bibia ni wa ebetumi asesa Dr. Bawumia one touch victory no and me tia can say Dr. Bawumia benya more than 58% na national security for Kano.
Okay,
because MPP delegates no woman nim de ye hwe say answer say no me press conference.
Yes,
we ye Christoni a Bible too fu say ebra no kwa wie ya ana bonsam wodi na asinase nyina batu agu nyame maso sebe obese wo mo ebi na Canada Japan team na ye no ti last minute no wo mo ebese mo adwene se de be ya obenyan bonsam hunu se ni black aye TNT no nani abre ono bonsam no pese ono nko an be kwa akɔhye enti wo twi nyame manso de wo makɔ sa na MPP abato ya aye Canada Japan hunu se nanim guase eba na yesem ni nsem hunu a wɔkeka ni na tem didie ni nyema basabasa wa yetia party no ahwo katue eba na on person no nko abagie nuguase no wo twe won so akohye mu bi enti we delegate ya nya eko ewiase se we nipa na wontumi differentiate between papa ne boni a na just say we useless
da bi na nipa ye na kakaka
na we useless no se wontumi differentiate
kasa na kakaka
na bere na nipa de wontumi differentiate between papa ne boni
say yetimi asa ke nyina be ko heaven
enye papa oh that is ese boni ye huru say boni
sa ho
yetimi huru say we ye boni we ye papa na emom ya hu no sunsun pede na so na ma emre
yeah
ye de yetimi huru say ade we ye papa we ye boni emom say ekoye ne ntimi nye but election ye koto yin Dr. Bawumia gina wo Canada Japan gina wo na ye nipa obi ka say sebe wo da sumi yeso na se me to Dr. Bawumia twa kofa Canada Japan ai ana na won na kabi pa me nka kakra na kabi enti nyame ade mo twina enu se bibia ba ye ku na se obi se ono de oma obi me ya president obi se obi kwase be onu mo benya pan ya be ye president ya wonu mfatuo na be ye o obi se wu vote de wo person obi ye president 2024 no o se o ma na me ye president 2024 because onu be ye president 2024 onu no nya bi me ye enti obeja dia 2024 onwini na ama ono nso anya kwan abepere ti yakoto aba memreda kwasi ada juada na oni ni tima hyase se ye keka ye ho ni abepere na nipa adwempa woni timu a angobe ye we enti na bampanifo bu bese sa ma yonko antwa anko osu ntwa enti second day Japan ni team adi ye Bawumia ni MPP nyina 2024 no delegates na bra no so ni mo so nkyere no se nye ono nko an ni mabrodie so beti pa abro party nye ono nko an ni mabrodi
ma hu video bi a ewo YouTube ba ko bi so YouTube channel bi so ya Honorable Ken Japan mo communication
solid bibi no asa Ken Japan no mo YouTube no mo didi atem no ni didi ensem hunu no
na Dr. Bawumia na first no that number 1 2024 no and one Ghana for kasa say yento abama no yento number 1 and then omakofa ba say oh no mo de hela to say Dr. Bawumia step down and na was say yento abama Honorable Ken Japan enya no kre na we no enya misinformation disinformation what I say we enya misinformation disinformation because unim say netie and washada say woka to inure to your advantage enti we no disinformation yeah a criminal enti no for me mommy nye decent na ye nyina yenko na yento abana kama Eric Pacho production the videos to be amount say are you ready but first one no say is about 40 seconds we are not the other one so atwa so ti bonimi nyina maye na ye hwe say edemu a ni ewie de honko bobusa for aha a movement in the morning FM Gordon as I be there committee mama menua kwakujeru or special assignment o Bruno ho Ejai pato chetu na yesi the city minute that's been was say
but look the words you use shows that we are more than evil instead of spending so much time, look, on religion like this, also Jimmy. You see,
my people are doing really well today with these photographs.
Said the only me camera what don't fear.
Dem who yan come ma GH1 ni na me pa o. Because you know am you moto. Me my question is, enti passport ni etimi be 1 day, less than 1 day. MOB the call. And a Ghana 41. Epa passport to kwa na mutimu ni chasidi. Mutimu mami true. My money can say prison for true. Passport will be to me by GB call in less than 6 hours. Otimi na Ghana passport the call. But the Ghanaians who needs the passports are begging you people for it. Die here kwa ne here most politicians are Ghana. Die here. And to get me apologize. You can't first and no cry. You apology no. A first apology. And whoever asked for that apology should be ashamed. What happened yesterday was exhibition of foolishness. Samu Ghana na ye de one no samate. Ye one no. And to 4 years when I move no. Munsusu Jimmy. And so fire passport and cheche. I to say your chrono a young rub Nigeria for crime or passport. Nigeria passport. Yan friend trapo, chroma money be. Edge apology for such a stupid act. Men no so more. Why would you apology be a men no shablesso, no crasso? Tell Ghanaians why people have to wait 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, and more. For the same passport you were able to give somebody yesterday. And on a Munkancha Ghana for shameless he goes.
Something. You to promise me something. Okay? Because if we were able to yes.
What do any question and answer what they conclude? Ask me a question but I could do on confession.
Okay, Pacho. I'm Pacho, go ahead. I go.
Mr. SS, morning. Nneɛma bi mebɛn asɔfo ni bebree platform so pa ho.
Okay.
Na nneɛma bi kɔ so ebi a wo de wobɛn de wobɛtima ma me clarification.
Okay.
Wonim prophet bi efe no owusu bempa.
Mpacho yeah papa.
Good. Yeah papa. Yes. Wadaroma time na your friend is IGP damparete no. Dr. Bawumia and a year course my money bail. And I say a wine because dear SC our Macau platform so be seen any say Dr. Bawumia and a my chase up upon ne making sure say Madam Parimo Bia and Shankom our Ghana beauty says information what Tibia and now what home pupu yebia wadaroma share na NTBY because media me go shooting all the time. Oh, okay, move our panimra no answer. Because information me no kasa nyina enani nyina no omo platforms no eguso koso pa enya asem ketwa nti mesra
no invitation
omrana omechim pa
nti wo de me friend
what can say oba why
me friend back
no, I think so. Jonas, I don't know. I think so he got disconnected. So I've sent him my invitation. Or I see am I sending an invitation? I don't know. Say your network there.
Okay, but so
Yo, so
Tia, you have a person make can say one. Sorry, I not pay the me could deep park a clientino. Me bobo am wako. The Tia ne say as I say SS and then a bush you for. Omotia say Dr. Bawumia ma no. Yanya can for there. You ready? Na yempese DC last election no ebedu. Ana ebesen CBO na.
I'm so when you call actually.
No, okay, no problem. Oba fine. The American say yempese yebeman krofo bi kwan. Na omo atumi akeka se omo propaganda na ntro na omo de nam se e na ofofo kra nto aba na ofofo kra nto aba. Ekwa ebe yi ekua sanka ye nuanom e wo no of no sankomu tumi share omo sapo mu nsuo kakra ena ke tumi page votes na e wo ho no at least e tumi je 1 or 2 seats bi de ka ho a nkanya ne say obi abegina wa the only message they say and we brought him for the northern vote and we didn't get it. Into me person or TRCS say was here no tia a person or TRCS say Dr. Bawumia no and your moon northerners na neighbor and then no mean claim is hard and to her now. Uti Dr. Bawumia a presidency now will be no and you know before na neighbor. Until I'm get that out right away. Say, say you are here. The American say we need this second round to be different. The Amman Crawford Bibriania chance Omo CANNOT for crying to about without even looking at the deep tani at the end. It is because say Yemi Anoma one off no man said and show me sample you too hard. But me per se doctor any nordness are more TMT as yes, anyone a modern doctor about a big competition. A competition between we the accounts and you the north who is going to be able to bring doctor and we the accounts are bringing doctor. So it is not even about you people. Let me make that clear. Yenya California say the doctor ba. And until doctor becomes the president of Ghana, no account is leading this MPP party, period. We made them the leaders. Unti any yepa asemo making me go many abrepa na America. Equia Dr. Bawumia come no. Yenya California na ye taking on as our problem. It is the problem we are solving. And we are going to make sure we change that narrative. What we need is our northern brothers and sisters to pull their weight to support us. That is all we need. Yeah, person northerners no back on board and be. I mean, like this time around, take their brother and carry their brother high, so that we, the accounts that are bringing him, we shall be more proud that, hey, listen, when we brought him, his hometown, his household, his people also came out to support him. That is the baseline. Because say yeah can for no, say the neighbor, now say yeah the coordination and now say yeah the support of baby or no freeness, northerners, especially the Muslim voter. Now it's like we are fighting an uphill battle. Into your best we want him. SS tell senior brother say we are not joking. This time we want you the northerners to prove us wrong that you people are powerful and when you people decide to follow something you follow, because for us we are coming. Utie, for us we are coming. And I'm gonna say this again, say until said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be the president, we are can be now pepe be say upeso be the party we ma patcho fashe kulem. Fashe freeze them ukra, fashe freeze them cause yen to mount we are Kenya. The better you let Dr. Bawumia become as president and go, the better for you. Men konko ye mistakes and woko ba bro oba bra obet na home or unya flag bearer no krana tete konya no po and then flag no po ye mfen kura independence square po no wetumi abaye president. It is a mobile team once ya brand champion we Canada Japan we edutwum we can omo friend say kwabena die Japan me ka kire mo ne samo pese munya o pepase mo pese mo be di party ye no dia anke ne ya akora no obi amfa ni books ngo na mo ni obi anko support Bawumia. And no be friendly team members in country almost say, Papa, we want quite young continue the moment and court near you into me into me maybe. Now, yes, sir. Now, we imagine say, more be yes, taframa, neamana, mo yen last time. Now, this time, Mr. Salam down when I just said this, I'm with the army for the baby gado. Cause you bet ma. Man fian 2x4 near the other. You be with a party officer, you bet pound in a carbon, and you make him leaders. We are not going to joke. Into we are Kenya at Yasia Preko. We young Quajina see a boa, say John Oko di Jayen. Young Quajina near boa, winning at the hot play. When I was CS with tradition, ya Danko Dombobuzia. And I'm one of Moka, and I feel the Dombo Edrua. First, Namusi Dombo new Bia. Dombo no de Aliu Mahama by a manje. And they de Bawumia ba, I'm an every vice president here. Oh, be catch them, say, Memfanenko, Namenko for the Obeya Magbelima, Ediama Mia Swa. Obeya Magbelima dia yes sebi impeteshi. So onu na emra medi manim because obi a perfect adwuma na aye. Utuwe ebi asebe nursing nursing na woye. Obi se obibie factory when ya did ye chire. Na sebe obie factory eden omo de beye pania na wo nurse ni no ba benya sa factory ni dia ye. Delegates ye ni abre. This akanisha. Papa we were show bibia chire se why ready so be the president. Na monte ase akanfo aye wo party mu ne ye de doctor eba. Ye ne ya boss wo say twi mu tan ye de doctor eba. And all we need is the support from our northern brothers and sisters. All we need is the support from our Muslim brothers and sisters, because if this opportunity passes you, no Muslim should ever think that they are going to occupy the seat of presidency. Even if you're an NDC, listen to this and listen to this clearly. If you're a Muslim and you don't take advantage of this glorious opportunity, you only confirm that indeed Ghana is a Christian country and therefore Muslims has no place in it. This is your vote. This is your power. If you're a minority, this is your vote. This is your power. If you are from the voter region, this is your vote. This is your power to show the accounts in the party that when we, the minorities, also come out, we cause shaking, we cause problems, we cause things to happen, cause Bawumia to become the flag bearer. Use that energy. Bawumia to become the flag bearer. So that you can also benefit from what is going on. Thank you so much. Felix
na so wakasa me baby ya me ya papa. Hey.
The pato say.
Be so wakasa me baby ya me ya. Asma wo kana na mama